Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, August 22nd, 2016, and today in our Tech News Update, we have torrents that will be blocked in India. So basically, all torrents websites will be blocked from India by the internet service providers. And instead of seeing the torrent page, you'll actually see a nice page that says you will have up to 3 years jail time if you get caught downloading illegal movies, TV shows through torrents. So, there's a lot of talk about this. I even heard some little news things about US ISPs and maybe even UK, Canada, and a few other countries that are thinking about pushing these blocks of, torrent sites. And one of the major issues with these companies ain't that much that torrent websites are um, illegal, but has a lot to do with torrent sites creating a lot of demand and stressing out the networks with all the downloads. So it's going to be interesting to see, but it's going to get more and more complicated to get torrents and illegal stuff in the coming years with everything that's happening. Well, it's official. Google will add support for the Chrome apps in Windows and Mac in 2018. What are Chrome apps? If you use Google Chrome for a long time with Google Chrome, you had the possibility of clicking here on the upper left corner where you had apps, and these were the apps that actually you could get, but there were even more apps than that that you could add. So already we knew that Google wanted to kill the app platform in Google Chrome, but now they say that the support for Windows and Mac will end in 2018. Twitter has reported that they've closed more than 360,000 accounts since 2015, all related to terrorists. And there was actually a very interesting article with that on a website where they were talking about how, of course, the shift of closing, accounts from Facebook and Twitter for terrorists pushes the terrorists, of course, to use other platforms that are often underground encrypted platforms. But they were saying that it really, really makes a difference because all of the efforts that the terrorists have, they try to, get people from the popular websites like Facebook and Twitter. And because they're blocked and more these websites are active in blocking these, they're getting more and more difficulty recruiting new people. So I think that's a good thing, and let's hope that it continues like that. So 360,000 accounts since early 2015. Well, what you see here is the branding change that Mozilla wants to do. If you're using the Mozilla Firefox browser, they are kind of trying out new designs. They want people to vote on one of 7 designs that are available. Personally, I think they are extremely ugly and the choice of colors are really bad. But you won't have any choice except those. So if you want, you can go to the Mozilla website and there's a blog where you can vote for your favorite, uh, you know, logo. So Mozilla looking after, kind of wanted to change its image. So unfortunately, 7 really ugly designs. Well, interesting tech story with the next Olympics that will be in Tokyo in 2020. A lot of people got surprised yesterday when they saw the Japanese Prime Minister appear at the Rio Olympics to get the flame for Tokyo, dressed as Mario, the character in the very popular games. Well, it seems that a very interesting idea came out. The Olympics often have a side where they want to try to be more green, respect the environment, and stuff like that. Well, it seems that the bronze, silver, and gold medals of the 2020 Olympics will be made with all the metals that are removed from discarded and recycled smartphones. That's a pretty cool idea, I think. So, maybe in 2020, when we see the athletes, we'll think about all the smartphones that were used to basically create these medals. So, good idea. I think it's very nice. And why not use all the recycled metals? There's so many rare metals of all sorts in our electronic devices. I think it's a good idea to do that. And finally, in our last bits of news, we've just learned that Genee is a scheduling service. If you want to schedule meetings in enterprise and want to really have something working that's kind of proactive, it uses some artificial intelligence and some botnets to try to kind of make this service even more intelligent and try to push it in helping you in everyday lives, especially with your appointments and your scheduling. Well, Microsoft is buying Genee, and it kind of makes sense because Microsoft is really very important in the enterprise, and it already has its foot set very well into the enterprise with Windows and Office, and why not add a scheduling service with that? Also, you know, artificial intelligence and stuff like that are part of what Microsoft is working on. So I think it's not a bad idea that Microsoft acquires Genee. So this was the Tech News Update for Monday, August 22nd, 2016. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything, let us know. It's always fun to have your feedback. And thank you so much for watching.